Does that mean you can travel, like, so a visa and stuff?
Because Romeich have been violating my side of things.
Cause your voice coming like them big beasts that we are skate on the toll.
Dark pretty me, I tell you that pretty than the dark. Me left you and your friend them up here saying that them woods. Yeah.
Welcome to the social media countdown, Burritos. It's a Monday. Alright, alright. Why me I do the macaroni to the people them song? Alexa, pause. Alexa, pause. Okay, cause Alexa keep on going like session. Understand, say, hey. Box cover Burritos, welcome to another social media countdown. It is a Monday and hopefully uno relax, uno chill because we have one bagger in this countdown. I do not know. As soon as the place feels silent, when you blink your eye 2 times, all of a sudden, the person and the person award, this mix up and this mix up are going, and all of the festivities are taking place. But I'm here to break it down for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get into today's countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Kartel at Dolly Sundays. All right, Burritos know. So Vybz Kartel is on an entire promo tour. He took over Sunday. Like the man did it everywhere. Like everywhere, anywhere the man was at. And he was just fully soaking up all of the attention. And so to kind of conclude his night, he decided to pop up at Mecca for Dolly Sundays. And if you don't know what Dolly Sundays is, it is TC Rebel and Pretty Pretty's weekly event. Right up there, so you know, right in the little same vicinity where you're seeing both tracks and records there. Yeah, man, over there, so it used to be Fiction Nightclub. Yeah, man, up at Mecca for Dolly Sundays. Take a look at some of the highlights.
Big up yourself. Father. Big up yourself. Know what I mean? Well forward in a Dolly Sunday.
Yeah, man, so Kartel up there, Viber party in a VIP section. Him a do the dance, the drift dance with Gabby Dan. And one of the time they will see TC and Rebel that they are sing Ramping Shop, and it looks like a great time was had. No, Kartel have a plan, you know. Kartel have a plan, but we are just here to just watch and see how he kind of moves and put things in motion. So Burritos, did you go to Dolly Sundays, and would you want an opportunity where you could party with Vybz Kartel? Sound off below. 9, Pepsi Bubbler. Our Burritos know shameless plug because you know some little Pepsi commercial where I go on, you might see it on YouTube. Yeah, man, me, Danger, and Diani. So, you know, this video, me go just call, yeah, man, Pepsi Bubbler. So, yeah, you know, you have one young lady where I sit down with her friend and I talk about how the Pepsi really helped her when she did fill with the gas and the Holy Ghost. Take a listen.
No. I say people man never feel good. Man never feel good a while ago. One of my friends say, girl, go drink a Pepsi. Or what them putting at this? Pepsi. My man say Pepsi. Pepsi, how you putting at this? I this they call the gas killer. Bon, I put Pepsi girl? No. See that my friend put Pepsi, I want to put in at this. I say, I never feel good. And my friend say, girl, drink a Pepsi. And a Pepsi, I go.
Yeah.
Jesus God.
We got Pepsi bubble and you crazy.
Yeah, man. Oh, my God. No, man. Money. Why money in the middle of the woman video and just your ear that the woman flatulate right there? Can we play, Alexa? Play Fantasia. Go ahead and free yourself. Yeah, man. Because you need a little pooping segment in one dance. And that's why I could be a selector because we would have a whole little pooping segment. Which another song, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's gonna work alright, you know. What other song could I work, you know, long? And that, no, we can't say breathe again. Oh God, Jesus Christ. We could have go for the Elsa one, do you know? Let it go, let it go. I can't take this anymore. Let it go, let it go. Oh my God, so I'm very much happy that, you know, money they get for relieve herself and the Pepsi did help the girl with them gas. So Burritos right now, let me know any other songs you think could have make it in the flatulation, the pooping segment, I want dance. Sound off in the comments. I am looking for them. Number 8, Nicki and Lando. Me TikTok. Okay, Burritos know. So international superstar Nicki Minaj, the queen of rap, decided to be the very charitable queen that she is once again. And she popped up to Lando's TikTok live to bring him some word of advice as well as a few gifts. Take a listen.
Does that mean you can travel, like so a visa and stuff?
No, I don't get the visas yet, but I have a passport.
So you mean like so someone would have to file for you?
Yes, and my father is living in overseas, but a lady came on my live like in the box, and she was talking to me until I tell her and show her my father, and then my father know her and my father call her and tell her say I'm not his son, so I'm in Jamaica and my mother and everything, and me can't go to school and them something Nicki Minaj and my life in traumatized.
Okay. If you leave Jamaica, are you still going to be sending out videos of yourself?
No, it was never me who sent it out.
Oh.
It was never me, so it was somebody on video call and they screen recorded me and stuff.
Oh,
so, yes.
What a disgusting thing to do! What a disgusting thing for someone to do to you.
And me cry Nicki Minaj, me cry and everything, and me cry and like me need help to leave the country because me can't go to school, me can't come out of the house or nothing at all.
Okay.
And it is very serious, Nicki Minaj.
But you have to get a visa, right? How could I help with that?
Me no know, like, me hear people say me can't seek asylum. So what if me want to go to Canada? Me can seek asylum, but me need help to go to Canada. Or me need help, like.
Okay. Do you have proof to show them, to show the government that your life is in danger?
Yes, Miss Nicki, I have proof. I have all the screenshots, all the threats and everything.
Oh, so for those of you who might be living under a rock and don't really know what was transpiring, Lando is a young TikToker. I think he's around 16 years old. and he's on the social media app, and people kind of like him for just being himself, just kind of out there and stuff. And so recently he was under some, what do I call it, man? He had his moment. How do I describe it now? All right, I'm going to start it, Racha. So the boy must have somebody, some man, send him whatever offering, and he must go do video sent to the man, and the man go expose the video now, and basically, him very depressed and all kind of something problem with him mother, CDA involved, all kind of things, him not go to school, etc., etc. And so, Nicki Minaj always in a Jamaican baga business, like she love it, right? So she knew the scoop and decided to try to give him some motivation and assist him and tell him like, yo, this happened to you, but still, remember to keep your focus. You have school for focus span, you need to get to your goals and your dreams and all of them, because something there. And in the midlife, she give him a couple line and all of these things, and so I'm just like, hopefully it helps. At the end of the day, Lando is still a young somebody. I don't really think him understand the gravity of life that could await him if him for go run with asylum and them something there. So hopefully people around him can actually, talk to him and get him to just kind of understand the severity of life right now, so that he can make some changes that will help him to have a better and a more safe and secure future. So that is it in our readers. Nicki Minaj, very much a good deed. But why Nicki just always know the back of people them? Nicki, you could go, you can't go for some of the other people them, man. You don't know Auntie Dana, you don't know Terry Carell, you don't know somebody upstanding ones them too. Why you always the back of Brittany Goff, Derek Morgan? Like, boy, Nicki said, what can go? So, anyway, Burritos, just, boy, that's it. Sound off below. Number 7, pet mongoose. All right, Burritos, is it mongoose or mongoose? A mongoose? Mongoose. Alexa, is it mongoose or mongoose?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, mongooses is the plural of mongoose.
Okay, so it's mongoose. Okay, all right, ready. Yeah, man, so, in a Jamaica, you might have, we have like, what you call it now, like dog. We look at yard dog and them something, a mongrel dog. We know if we have that. We might have one little pet and them something there and treat the dog nice. Otherwise, we might have a fish tank, we might have a cat. Those are generally the type of pets that most people keep in a Jamaica. Okay, but did you know that there was a very brave man that his name is anonymous, that he decided to go and pet a mongoose? No, sir, take a look. No, man, this is incredible. This is incredible. And the way the man, the mongoose, I got have one leash around him neck, man, like, and the man look like he under manners, like him attentive, him behave himself, him actually look over a walk. Like, nah, man, I think this is what Kartel that talk about when him just sing My Dog Them Have to Live. Because look there, look at that. Look at that. I don't think that mongoose, you know what? I don't think that mongoose identifies with being a mongoose. I think in his heart and heart, he believes and he feels like he's a dog. Okay? So that is a trans dog. That's a trans dog right there. Because he doesn't identify with the animal that he was described as at birth. You see what I explain that, Burritos? Look at that. That's his brains. Brains right there. So, Burritos, know, do you think you're ever brave enough to go and attempt to train a mongoose? Sound off below. Yeah, man, not me, man. I can't barely train myself right now. Jaja. Oh, big up all of the kids who are potty trained. Woo! Yeah, the kids watch me and the adults, them. If you wear Pampers, I saw it go. Because you know some of the senior citizens watch, I saw it go. You get me? Go ahead and free yourself. Oh, God. Number 6, Gayle versus Romeich. Me cricket. All right, no, so this I never saw coming. So cricketer, West Indies cricketer Chris Gayle recently in an interview talked about his disapproval of the way that Romeich has been treating him. So he outlined that Romeich basically prevent him from getting certain sponsorship deals, and he find it very shocking because of how he really assisted Romeich in the beginning of his career. Take a listen.
I don't have a problem with him now. I have a problem with Romeich because Romeich have been violating my side of things on a few occasions. He's done it before, and he's actually doing it again. I don't know if he's going to carry feelings in some aspect because I'm not using anyone from his team to actually be a part of my party. I know Romeich for 20 years. I put Romeich on the platform. Not only I, me and Toto, Marlon, put Romeich on the platform. We used to call Romeich India. Now we make Romeich make money from, we're talking about 20 years ago. We put money in a Romeich pocket. We highlight his brand across the Caribbean, across the globe. So we used to buy Romeich clothes and we used to floss him clothes and everybody wanted the clothes. But me and Toto are rock Romeich. For Romeich to come now, Romeich even stopped sponsors from actually sponsoring my party. Can you believe that? When I asked him about that as well, he was like, said, Chris, I'm loyal to the corporates. So for Romeich to say something like that, it hurt me. I'm talking like 2 years ago.
No, wow, no, Romeich, the people them have it out for you, Because Romeich seems like a generally fair and a nice person. That's what we see online. But we've been hearing like a lot of people that say, boy, Romeich, when it comes down to business, the man is a shark. And I get it, because in a business, in order for it to be successful, sometimes you have to kind of pop out and be a rapacious capitalist. You have to be very much about yourself. All if you're your friend, you have to think about you alone. And sometimes, like, the Jamaican thing is like, boy, we understand, say your business, but yeah, my bro, I kind of know you. Some of the think they're going to go so dark and be a shark. But most of the billionaires, them, when you see about the place, them have to put on that little part where you think about your own interests for really get to this level. Like, it's sad. And it's sad truth, and that's part of the capitalism. And Romeich right now, the man is a whole one-stop shop. The man say entertainment and just take over one whole umbrella of things. Everybody else kick with the other people them right now because of how big his brand is. So, your boy Chris, hopefully, you can really reason about it and you can find some way to foster a bit of friendship. Me no know, but take up the phone and call him, talk about it. Maybe some resolve can be had. Okay? Number 5, Kartel on Rising Stars. Mate, the G, I'm not call your full name, all right, yeah, man. But all right, now, so, so as I said earlier, Kartel is on an entire promo tour. Him take over the whole of the Sunday. Like, honestly, Kartel right now, like, where are you not going? What are you not doing? Who you not link up with? Like, Kartel, what is your plan? Because I know you don't move without moving in a particular direction because there is a purpose. So I'm watching the rebranding, and me, I'll be like, look at Kartel. Just go and take all of the Jamaican people and just come. So, yeah, man. Me, I look for see what your next move is, but yeah, move. Kartel don't play checkers. Kartel is always playing chess. All right. So, after he left from the PNP conference, I think that would have been it. All of a sudden, Kartel pop up on Digital Rising Stars. And you know how Kartel work? I feel like all of them, they have a standing judge, have a judge there already. Kartel just link up Anthony Miller and say, boy, I feel like when I just run up in a Rising Stars right now, I have nothing to do, I feel like I just want to do it. And same time, the producer them have to say, here what? Christopher, man, yeah, man, you have to go circle back next week, Kartel are coming, right? That's so. And that happened. In my mind, I feel like I saw it go. And so, Kartel was there, and I don't think the John public did really expect to see a move like that. The man showed up there, and he was guest judge, and check out some of the highlights and some of the critiques.
Only a DJ Papa.
Right, let's hear from the judges. Kartel.
I mean, you never thought you'd see yourself doing these things, but trust me, the way you deal with the music, I see you love it from your heart.
Yes.
And I respect that about you. And I pray to God, say, you get a break in this industry, because, yeah, man, you deserve it, babe, from heart.
All right. Kartel.
You know what? I never know I say you did young. I know I get it. Cause your voice coming like them big beasts that we are skate on the toll. Powerful, you know. You say anytime you learn to manage it, them can't hold you. Hear that little girl? Anytime you learn to manage that voice there, the sky is the limit for you. You hear me tell you? Keep that in mind. Big up yourself.
Oh, God, man, boy, Kartel. And Kartel would make a very entertaining judge because we just know that Kartel is entertainment. Kartel knows how to put on a persona to match the occasion. If Kartel want you to think say him are the most verbose person in the world, Kartel have a persona for that. If Kartel want you to think say him dance and say that him have a persona for that. If Kartel want convince you say me currently wearing a black shirt right now, Kartel have a persona for convince you that. Well, you have to wonder if you are one Chinese or you are one black person. So that is Kartel. So I quite enjoyed him on Rising Stars and but boy, the optics wise, well, him not have the record anymore, so no record not dead there, so boy, but optics wise, I'll reserve my thoughts for later on in the countdown. But let me know, Burritos, did you enjoy Kartel as a guest judge? Sound off below. Number 4, Pretti Don versus Poppy. All right, me Saint Thomas, yes. All right, no, so Pretti Don, you know, say she is very vocal on social media and she speaks her mind very freely, talking about various public figures and celebrities. And oftentimes they're often the butt of her jokes and yeah, man, she not really hold back. A lot of the remarks are quite savage, and so she has made some very strong statements towards the dancehall entertainer Popcaan. And so recently, when she visited St. Thomas, and was at a river just chilling and vibing, she could not believe herself when Popcaan and the entourage pulled up. Yeah, man, take a listen to the ordeal.
Out I care, bad man. What time I say, man, leap out, you know, bad man, leap. He dog leap out, so. I say, hot tile. You feel me? When the dog jump out, Bex, you know, it's like you can see Bex station in Nigeria, you know. You feel me, I deal with? And he said, Pretti Don. How you are doing on my place? One say, how you are doing on my place? I see up on the internet, you diss my sister. Couple times well and look at it now, eh? I catch you in my place like stray dog. Him say, yo, we evil for true, you know. We dark. We dark, Pretti. Me I tell you that, Pretti Don, the dark. We left you and your friend them up here saying in them woods. Nobody for you can't find you. Nobody at all. You and your friend them, we left them up here so right now. Man say, yo, me have to catch you in my place like stray dog. And look at that, eh? The man say, go on, man. Enjoy the river. But go down there, son. You see me? He dog send me go down a wish party, busso then there to blood clot. Down there say you can't even swim down there, sir, bumbo clot. You don't go think down there, sir, moras. A moras alone down there, sir. So the dog say, go and go enjoy the river, you know. Remember, you know? I river this right here, sir, you know, brother. And the man tell me, say, yo, enjoy the river, but go down there. So one time I tell you, say, the man say, go down there. And I tell you, say, the man say, go down there. So which part the moras and busso and the whole of the debris and them they sitting there, you know, bad man. So instantly from the dog said that, you know, the dog I said, lift up. The dog don't make you know, so the grace of God. When the man tell me, say, yo, the grace of God make him not left me and my friend them up in the hills right now. When the dog said that to me, I couldn't even believe it. A bumbuck like all me do, I just stand up and look on Popcaan. So.
Boy, Pretti Don, boy, me I say, boy, you couldn't shock right there, so you know, cause you know how Popcaan roll. You know how Popcaan roll, cause we hear the little thing with Valiant and up a Taboo and you know the Popcaan badness right there. So me remember come from Gaza camp, you know, so him understand the teachings, him know how to sit them go. You get me? He had the model there for him. Okay? And so in his own way, he might carry on that legacy that he would have seen over in the other camp, right? And so, Pretti Don, boy, oh boy, I honestly wish that a lot of things were just stayed online and it not really, you know, carry over into the actual streets because really and truly, like, it don't need all of this. But we have to just remember that if we are going to say certain things and be very vocal about people, we can't always just expect them to act very demurely. You know? Especially when you know the type of people that we are talking about, because some people not deal with the internet badness. Some people will want to deal with you in real life. And so hopefully this would actually be a cautionary tale to just other entertainers and other bloggers or content creators out there to just be very mindful of how you traverse in the spaces. If you're going to say certain things, just not go in certain areas. That is all I have to say. But Burritos, what say you? Sound off below.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
Pay attention in class, kids.
Me the outer lingo ni plaza, yeah. That word them no know. And then me the across Scotia Bank. Yeah man, Scotia Bank me there. Yeah, brother, the traffic out in a normal farm. I don't know what time you going to reach your work. I have to tell you, boss, say, me get a puncher this morning. Because I leave out late. The traffic just, why, I don't know what the government are going to do about that one. But, make your boss know, so I'm going to reach in a bit late. Hold.
Number 3, biggest catch me No, what me I say a while ago? Me fishing rod, fishing line. All right, boy. I don't know nothing about Jesus Christ. Me, oh Lord, what you call the other something there? Me ratatouille. That's what you said. Whoa, I can actually lip read. Whoa, that's whoa. Me ratatouille. Woo! All right, Burritos know. So this video comes courtesy of our social media influencer, content creator, Janelle. So he decided to do a little bit of fishing. I know I test out him skills, and while doing that, him did feel very confident. Say, yeah man, me catch something. Me can carry this go home now and go cook for Sunday dinner. Take a look at the surprise that he got.
Where you catch?
Yo, something big, bro.
Something big, dog.
Drop your mess up.
How the blow up?
How are this? Hey. Yo, I'm saying this. Yo, people, watch out.
Ratatouille.
What is?
Yo, kick you back a ball.
What the blood? People, watch out. Come closer. You want to see this?
Ratatouille.
Bro, kill me dead or something big, bro. It's a big rat. Yo, Tama bricks. Them thing I catch nowadays, you know, dog. That pick.
Oh wow. No man. Oh Lord. No man. Jesus Christ. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Like me know the feeling here. I feel it like him take up that fishing line and when he look is a rat. Is a rat. Oh my God. What a trap. What you can imagine how him feel good already for go show off now and him never expects there's a rat him catch. But at least I catch something. You can, I think still can. Well, I mean, it depends on how you're hungry because if the world is that in and I understand what I say. You understand, be proud of yourself same way because all the people go and them not catch nothing. So you can say you caught something and have to tell the people them where you catch. You caught something and luckily it wasn't COVID. So you get a rat, be very, and that could have been a rake. Did you play cash pot? You could have get a rake right there. Jesus Pim, you could have get a rake. What is cash pot? Our 4, 5, 6, 15. Our number below 20, me think. Or below 10. For rat in a cash pot. I can't remember right now. Okay, comment down below and let me know. But boy, oh boy. Like, all right, number 2. Number 2, Jazzy proposal. Me eye flames. All right, Burritos know. So I don't know if you follow up with all of the TikTok news. So there are 2 TikTok personalities by the name of Matthew High Flames and Jazz High Flames. They were formerly in the group, the dancing group called the High Flames. Yeah, man, that is headed by Kaka High Flames Zine. And so a few days ago, Jazz posted this video to her social media that captured her proposing to her boothang, her love of her life, Matthew. Take a look. Isn't that a lovely thing? That is so incredible. Like they are young. I don't think they reached 21 yet. I think them must be about 20 years old. Or them definitely not past 23. Them young. Okay. All right. And so I was just like, boy, I never think so them they got married so early, so quick. But I guess the love is inside of them, and they probably wanted to break their virginities, like, you know, as a married couple, because them young, and you know, young people sometimes, and I know these kids, they're very much well behaved, you know. So I know they just wanted, it's because of the love, they wanted to wait and say, yo, I don't want to fornicate. They're going to wait until marriage. And so that is why they're hurrying to get married at such a young age, because they want to be able to give themselves to each other, you know, with a union. Okay? And if you don't believe me, then shame on you. We have to believe in our young people because they are the future. That is what Whitney Houston said. But anyway, you know, so the people that never like the fact say, she proposed to him. Because they're like, why Matthew? I'll just wear the pants to the relationship. And Matthew are the one who are going to sit down and scrubs to the clothes them. That is what a lot of people, a lot of influencers, everybody are talking about it, and I'm just like, if the girl want to do it, make sure do it. A fair prerogative, I do get it, but I'm tired of the conversation on social media about man versus woman versus man. Like right now, everything is a right angle, triangle, parallelogram, isosceles, nothing equilateral right now. The world we're living in right now, everything just, yeah man. Right angle, triangle, parallelogram, trigonometry, everything, cosine, tangent, yeah man. That is what I want. Okay? So we just have to understand say it a go on. Man I go wash panty, woman I go fix car tire, man I go bake, and woman I go buy house and pay rent. Like everything just discombobulated right now. So Jazz, do your thing, and she did put out a video addressing some of the remarks that she's been getting on social media. I put in the video right there. All right, readers, so overall, just let me know what do you have to say about Jazz proposing to her boyfriend, Matthew. Sound off below. And number one goes to PNP conference. Woo! Bear in mind, I'm not really a clap for the PNP because I don't want people to tell us I'm a part of PNP right now. Okay, but I'm just a clap. Yay! All right. All right. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to the PNP conference now, readers. Let me just go tell you this, you know, like, I do not know, but something is in the air right now, and the PNP people, they are going for that spot. They are taking aim at Andrew. Andrew Holness, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, for me, like you, I'm not take this lightly. Me not gonna take this sitting just like that, because them basically I say, we are going to form a Justice League of people. So when you look, you're going to see Wonder Woman a part of that. Yeah, man, Wonder Woman over there, so then you're going to look and see Captain America. Oh, Jaja, Batman. Batman are over there, so Ant-Man. Oh, Jesus Christ. The Falcon. Yeah, and the Powerpuff. Oh, Jesus Christ. Sandy from SpongeBob. Okay. All right, my readers. You understand what I try to say. They formed an army that is. Then basically I said to the jail pit, do this and beat me. So we saw the crowd of people that attended, and the people them keep on a chant, time come and all of these things. And we saw Isaac Buchanan there. Him gonna give a speech. The 7-star General L.A. Lewis was there, and he must have donated $2 million to the PNP. That was quite like, wait, what? And then we saw, you know, the Maroon chief, Richard Curry, he was in attendance. And me like, no man, something are going in of the air. And these people are making known that, listen, We have one thing in common right now. We not like the JLP, or we not like the Prime Minister Andrew Holness. So this is like, no man, me like, don't know why. This look rough. This look rough because when people are getting up like this, no man, like something is in the air. And then the moment came. Vybz Kartel entered the building. Take a look, man. Jesus P, man. Vybz Kartel, me tell this man is making moves. You realize so him, from him come out of prison, the man a wear orange, and I tell the people them say the orange are just because him want to wear orange and have nothing to do with it. But you see, because we know true Gaza fans, we know how Kartel will look at your face and lie. Right? So when Kartel said, I say, Kartel, you are one man of symbolism. You move with strategy. We are day one, we know Kartel. So you not just a come out and a wear orange just so. You wear it because a symbolism and you are Mr. Symbol. Okay? And so, maybe there was a strong feeling. And it's the same move that happened with Buju Banton. Remember when Buju Banton did online and I talk about COVID and all kind of things and asked them and call fat and critique the government and politics in general, only for say Buju Banton pop up at the PNP conference. So me I say, oh, yeah man, that is it. We don't know what is in it for him. Some people might say it's the moolah. Some people might just feel like, listen, they might have a common enemy and then decide to just team up. And so Kartel is doing a similar thing by making this is official debut. No, he has been sharing that he actually has his eyes set on politics. Like he would want to go into that type of representation. And I'm just like, Kartel. Kartel is trying to do a big FU to the government. I mean, I don't know if I'm me alone, I see it, but all who have eyes, only just watch. We see the rebranding, we see the kids them I give to charity. I am going to go out on a limb and be like, you see the PNP? We understand we now don't want the street cred, we want all of this momentum because we're really desperate for the power, right? And so I'm sure the JLP administration is probably thinking about like how we're gonna kind of counter this and trying to gauge how much this association or semblance of the Chef Curry and Kartel and all of that enthusiasm will really put up a strong fight against their party, right? And so I'm just like, listen, I see we're going in America with Trump, and I think if Kartel really want to go into politics, if he has an association with the PNP, he will use that association to his benefit. Because Kartel is no fool. Remember, the man intelligent. And that might set the stage for Kartel to hold some power within that party. And can you imagine if there's ever a matchup between Kartel and Andrew Holness? Can you imagine that? You know, that would have, Kartel would basically take over the party like how Trump did take over the Republican Party. It going to be, honestly, that would have been, if that is Kartel's ultimate goal, Jesus P, man, that would have been some history. And bad to bad, it would have been iconic. You'd have to give it to him if Kartel were able to pull that off. Jesus Christ, we'd see them as in First Lady. Mighty good, mighty God. Anyway, my readers, just let me know what you think of this entire appearance of Kartel and Chef Curry. It's funny, Because me say in America when they fight over if Beyonce going to say something and Taylor Swift going to say something and all of that. But in Jamaica we have Kartel and well, all right, yeah man, we have Kartel, our own legend. All right, that is that. Well, that's it, my readers. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. Make sure you say you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. Leave a comment below as well. And once you have done that, follow me on all my social media platforms at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time. Ta-ta.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.